Hey, National Western. It's Julian Dougharty here, president of DFS Marketing. I got this package from you, and I'm reading a note here. It says, open on camera. I've got the knife. I'm going to open it up and see what we've got here. Thank you for sending this on to me. I haven't opened it up. I haven't done anything with it. That's why I'm opening it on camera in front of you. Hopefully I don't slice my finger open. And set that up there. And it says, Dear Julian, thank you for all you do to promote good companies with good products like National Western Life. You and your team bring an excitement and a passion to our business that is surely needed. Regards, Paul Girafoli Jr. Now let's see what we've got. Welcome to our home postcard. And we have National Western koozies. I love it. Thank you very much, Paul. Thank you for everything you've done for me. Thank you, National Western. Have a wonderful week.